Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today we are going to talk about the project called Bitbrain. Okay, we are going to do a scam check to see if it is legit or not. And guys, my recommendation to you is learn all about technical analysis and then trade on a platform, for example, like Bybit, Phemex, or Bitget, and there you can really control what kind of decisions you make, and you're not just in the mercy of some platform if they will rug pull or not. Okay, so if you want to consider this, check the links in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses. Okay, so let's have a look at Bitbrain. Basically, if you've been subscribed to the channel for a longer time, you know we are looking for: has the contract been audited? Has the team been KYC? Can we check the contract ourselves? Yeah. Is there a white paper? First of all, they don't have a white paper, which could be the first red flag. Okay. Basically, what this platform is all about: you deposit some USDT and you get rewards. For example, this one, after 1 day, you will get 106%. This one here, after 1 day, 104%. After 4 days, 132%. And this one after 28 days, 800%, guys. Let me just tell you, if anybody would have a system that could make 800% in 28 days, let's say you start with 10,000, after 28 days you have 80, another 28 days more, you have about 64,000. Then again, after 20 days you have 5 million, around 5 million. Then again, after 20 days you have 40 million, and so on and so on. I mean, then you would already have 320 million 1 month after that. Okay, so to me this just doesn't work like this. Okay, basically this is, in my opinion, let's say you take this one here. Let me show you guys. If you select this one, if you invest 2,000, you will have 16,000 after 28 days. So to me this is just a Ponzi. That means, okay, if you invest in it now, maybe you're lucky and enough of new people come in, and the new people, the deposits of the new people will pay you your rewards. Okay, so if you're lucky and invest in it and enough people come, maybe you get your rewards and your initial back. If not, you lose some money. So you should never ever invest in a project like this if you're not also willing to lose the money you invest. I personally don't invest in projects like this because I prefer trading. Okay, it's much more profitable, and if you know what you do, of course. So this is what it looks like. They say they have a company in the in England, and there is no KYC. There is no contract. I mean, no contract address. The contract hasn't been audited. So basically, they can put here any number, and you cannot even check, for example, like on BSC scan. So to me, there are a lot of red flags, and the project could be gone, for example, let's say in 5 hours or maybe in 5 days. If you want to invest in it, up to you. I'm just here to show you those projects. Not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest your own money. That's the project here, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.